Aloha, and welcome to Blue Hawaiian Helicopters and Activities, where your adventure begins long before takeoff. As Hawaii's premier helicopter tour company, we take pride in delivering breathtaking views, first-class service, and memories that last a lifetime. This year, we're offering some groundbreaking innovations in your aviation experience. So sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the islands like never before. We are happy to announce we will be offering free surfboard allowance on all inter-island flights. Because nothing says convenience like having your 9-foot surfboard with you at all times. Next, a one-of-a-kind, top-tier in-flight food service, carefully planned by our world-class chefs who somehow fit in the cockpit with us.
I'm a vegetarian.
Next, we'll be launching the signature Blue Hawaiian amenity kit, complete with a bottle of sunscreen, ukulele, and a complimentary eye mask. My personal favorite, exclusive lie-flat seating. Our new Skyline option lets you fly fully reclined, enhancing your experience to your next destination in full comfort. And lastly, our premium in-flight entertainment. At Blue Hawaiian Helicopters, we're always focused on safety while pushing the boundaries of luxury, adventure, and, well, reality. While some of these upgrades may take a little longer to implement, one thing remains true. Your journey with us will always be unforgettable. Mahalo for flying with Blue Hawaiian Helicopters, where the skies are almost the limit. Happy April Fools!
Yeah. Who's the chef? Are you the chef? Yes! This is the silliest thing you've ever been asked to do for at work?
Pushing the boundaries of luxury, adventure, and the teleprompter isn't moving.